Hello, my name is Dr. Thomas Nguyen, and I'm a board-certified addiction physician. Today, I'd like to talk about the distinctions between a psychopath and a sociopath. This is a common misunderstanding among the population, but I see these individuals in my practice because the prevalence of substance use disorders are high in those individuals who are psychopaths as well as sociopaths. The first thing I want to emphasize is that psychopathy and sociopathy are not diagnoses within the DSM-5. Rather, they are a collection of certain behaviors, traits, and characteristics which distinctively separate the psychopathic individual from the sociopathic individual. First, I'd like to talk about psychopathy. Psychopathy exists in the general population of about 1%, but in the forensics population, meaning criminal justice population, it's about 10 to 15%, a little bit higher for men and then a little bit lower for women. Psychopaths have the inherent genetic manifestation of these particular behaviors and traits that characterize a psychopath. So there's a strong genetic predisposition. These individuals are born with psychopathic traits and behaviors, and it's extremely difficult for them to change or deviate from these behaviors. I want to talk about the factors associated with psychopathy. Factor 1 psychopathy are those individuals who have these superficial charms. They have grandiosity. They are compulsive liars. They are manipulators, and they have the lack of empathy. And because of that, they tend to be callous towards others that they are engaged in. The main thing about the psychopath is that these individuals lack any remorse or guilt. I want to talk about factor 2 psychopathy, which is most associated with the term sociopath. And factor 2 psychopathy is characterized by these individuals who have a high need to experience new behaviors or experiences. So these individuals tend to have incapacity to maintain focus on any goal. Therefore, they are unable to maintain a job or complete an education. Thus, they lead a existence where they are parasitic, meaning that they have to live off the means of other people. They are highly impulsive. They are irresponsible when it comes to fulfilling any obligations that are financial or occupational, and therefore they tend to not have great success in their endeavors, as far as their jobs and as their long-term goals and pursuits. And then there's a high association of criminality or the lack of disregard for societal values, norms, and laws. So in the forensic population, factor 2 or sociopaths make up about 80% of the prisoners in the prison system. I hope that this information had been informative for you, and the next time we're going to discuss about sociopaths.